So this is the west side of the house, and there's that cheap Masonite crap again. That one panel there, it's a section of a panel. This is a huge solid panel. But I'm going to cut out that one section there and replace it with a board. This is pretty rotted out there. You can just peel that off with your fingers. You know, I think with a spoon I could cut a hole into this house, this side here. This right here I'm going to patch up. This other little section here, yeah, I'll just patch that up a little bit with Bondo. Like there's a piece right there. That corner is flared out. I'm going to trim that up. Use a drill, a screw to put it closer to the house, and oops. Yeah, but this right here, I can just patch that up. So here you can see this stuff. This will just come up right here like this. Look at that. Replace that one section there. So this is our mailbox on the side of the house. I'm going to have to pull that off the wall there. I'm going to relocate. I'm going to put a post right there. And just set up a basic mailbox. And then right there you can see these two panels. These are just, I guess, what they call an architectural detail or something. Anyway, those will come off. I just got to pull those guys off. And then like here by the window, you can see another one of these. Any of these little metal things, pieces or hook for probably Christmas lights. Right there. I use my Dremel to cut that off. All those little things got to come off. So it seems like when you do a major remodeling project on a house, it's not uncommon that you start another task before you finish a given one that you're working on. This door is an example of that. I had this door installed 10 years ago, and I never got around to putting down some side trim on this door. But before I stuck on the house, I got to get that done.